Hello guys, welcome back to this amazing tutorial. This hand trouser that I'm about to talk about this morning is just a simple way you can achieve a bootcut trouser. We used to call it a bootcut trouser or you call it a baggy trouser. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the tutorial. Marking out 2 inches for my folding allowance from here to here, 2 inches for my folding allowance. Then my ankle, I would draft out 10.5 inch. I don't want it to be that big, but it will be straight cut. So I will take 10.5 inch here. Then I'll mark out my trouser length. My trouser length, which is 38. I'm marking out at 8. Then I'll mark 1 inch here. My waist measurement, I'm working with waist of 33. Waist of 35. I beg your pardon. Waist of 35. Then I'm adding 9.5 inch. I'll mark 9.5 inch here. Then I'll go down with 11 inch, which is my uh, crush measurement, 11 inch. I repeat, I go down with 11 inch from here to here, my crush measurement. Then from here, I'll mark a half inch here. Then the last measurement I'm working with is 15 because it's boot cut. I want it to be free, straight cut. So I'm working with a lapse of 15. I hope you guys can see this well. Then I'll come down with 10 inch here, from here to here, 10 inch, which is my knee measurement. This line is my knee measurement. To get the knee measurement, you get from here, from the waistline, you mark 21. You can go with 20 inches, you can go with 21. So I'm marking 21 here. Here, 21. Or from this lapse measurement, you measure out 10 inches or 10.5, each one you want. Then I'll mark a half inch here. Then the knee measurement I'm working with is I'll go with 14. Let me just take it. 13. I'll go with 13. The knee measurement I'm working with is 13. This is my hip curve. Then you join the lines. Just watch carefully. You understand everything I'm doing here. Very easy to mark. You come here, you give it a shape here. A shape. You give the shape here. You give small shape here, small shape here, as you can see it. Then use this edge of hip curve. You give it a nice shape here. Then use this side. That is called hip curve. As you can see, this is just a perfect way you can achieve this uh, uh, boot cut trouser. You not forget to go down with half inch here, then you join it to the waist. Let's cross check our measurement now. Ankle measurement, knee measurement, laps measurement, 14 and a half. The crotch line, 11 inches. Everything is perfect. Then let's cut. Morning, sir. Then your pocket measurement, I will go down with 7.5. So guys, as you can see, this is just a simple way to achieve this boot cut, or you call it a baggy trouser.